Hi there, so yeah, welcome to my channel Satisfying Arts and Crafts. So yeah, today I'm going to show you all some exciting and interesting journal ideas. So without anything else, let's get into the video. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to draw some doodles, characters you may also call it. Yeah, I'm drawing a body. I write tracker in simple letters. And I'm going to draw some balloons like this. Okay, so for the tummy of the bunny, I'm gonna just make it over. Yeah, then I'm gonna color it, and also here you can give it different kinds of titles. Like I'm gonna make it ducks, events, and here works. Yeah. So now it's not actually clearly visible. Then if it dries, I'm gonna take another color and give it some shadow. So now I'm gonna take a color. So I'm gonna take pink, and I'm gonna give it some shadows. So yeah, I'm done with this journal. So let's get on to another one. So yeah, let's get on with this one. So I'm going to make this page a little interesting. So yeah, for the topic, I'm going to take a color, and the topic would be when I'm sad. When I'm sad. Yeah. So when I am, yeah. So when I feel sad. So this is going to be this topic for this page. So yeah, here I'm gonna write what to do when I'm sad and feel lonely, or if I am also angry and some things like that. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is for this, yeah, I'm gonna give this an underline. I'm gonna draw some water droplets coming down, falling down, and also a sad face with tears coming out. So then, now I'm gonna make this page interesting. I'm gonna draw it now. I hope you understand what it is. You can call it a TV or a computer. Next, books. Well, I'm not a one who loves books most, but yeah, I love to read books and it's nothing there. Then, well, you can imagine what I'm drawing. Yeah, a food. Maybe it's a burger, you have guessed it right. Go for it. Then go for a walk or ride. I'm gonna ride. Okay, I'm gonna write right. Then yeah, I forgot to underline this. Then I'm gonna write what me me sad. Okay, I'm gonna write here like what made me sad in the books. So okay, so next I'm gonna I'm gonna write something like this. So yeah, eat something I like. I like a burger. Make journals. Okay, I forgot to underline this. I'm gonna underline, but I'm underlining because it makes it. Well, I'm done with this and have even decorated it and all and all. And I also wrote smile please to make me smile, and also this is going to make you feel better if you are actually writing this, and you can even create it on your own way, and you can give me ideas for which things I should try next. And so that's it. Have a wonderful day and bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe and definitely like this video if you have actually liked this. And yeah, if you try this, comment down below about how it is and whatever you feel with this. So bye, thanks for watching.